Hey everyone, welcome back. OpenAI has rolled out an enhanced memory feature for ChatGPT, enabling the AI to better recall details from past conversations for a more personalized user experience. According to OpenAI CEO Sam Altman, ChatGPT can now reference all your past conversations, making interactions more context-aware and tailored to individual preferences. The chatbot can now remember key information like your interests and settings to improve future responses. You can also ask ChatGPT to remember specific facts, which are then saved to its memory. Memory is an opt-in feature and can be turned on or off anytime from the ChatGPT settings under the personalization section. You can view, manage, and even delete stored memories either individually or all at once. While memories are kept indefinitely, you have full control over what stays and what goes out. The improved memory system is being gradually released to ChatGPT Plus and Pro users. However, it is currently unavailable in the EU, UK, Switzerland, Norway, and Iceland.